Hello, guys. My name is Femi, and I'm the founder of DFM Lab. I would like to introduce us to the platform and how we can leverage the platform to building amazing products. So, DFM Lab came as a vision to solve some of the challenging issues that we face in Africa, Nigeria specific. We noticed that most of the products we use here are mostly imported or they are mostly imported products. So we're trying to change the way we see manufacturing by bringing everyone on board, creating a platform that unifies everyone in the value chain of product development. So I'll be demonstrating how we can some of the services we have there, how you can register and get started on the platform. So what you need to do is just enter the link. This is dfmlab.com. The DFM Lab stands for Design for Manufacturing. So we take your project or you have an idea, you have a crazy idea that you want to turn into a product. All you need to do is use a platform, either learn using the Learning Hub to learn about the platform. Um, use a marketplace. We have several services like that. The marketplace where you can access development tools, the community where you can connect with everyone in the value chain from the contract manufacturer to the developers, the engineers, the designers that work on different products. So we have a community built around that so you can connect with other people like you. So our services, like I said, we have the learning hub where you learn about product development for developers and engineers, product managers, and everyone in the value chain, like I said. We have the workplace where you can work. It's a platform where you can collaborate with other people to work on a project. So probably you're a mechanical designer and you need a PCB designer, you can connect and you guys can work together on any product of your choice. We have the marketplace if you need to get a development tool like Arduino development board, Raspberry Pi, or any development tool that you need to work on your prototype. You can access it. You can access service providers, people who sell um, those development tools locally here, so you can access them without having to wait or without getting it from probably China or something. You can get it locally here as quick as possible. We have the manufacturing hub that's meant to where you access services for manufacturing and prototyping services like CNC machining, laser cutting, and everything you need, services that you need to get your product out there, PCB fabrication, several other things like that. It's available on the platform. So yeah, just so we get started, I'll click on this link here to take you to an account. So I already have an account here, so you can register for a new account. For a new account, yeah, just input your username, your password, and your email and your password, and you're good to go. Make sure you accept the terms and conditions to register. So I'll just log in. So yeah, so in order to log in, we implemented a security measure to make sure that only you, as only you're the one that can access your account. So that's to prevent unauthorized access to your email. So that's the mail there. Just copy the link, the OTP, and just put it there. So just click proceed. Yes, once you put in your link there, you can see all our services here. We have the learning hub, the workplace, the marketplace, the manufacturing hub. Everything is right there for you to access. The community is not there yet, but we'll be doing updates, and in the updates you get to see some of the features available there. So for now, we've launched the learning hub, and we were looking forward to having you if you're a developer or an engineer and you want to learn about product development, how products are made, the process involved, and every other thing from concept to manufacturing. Our learning hub is meant to serve that, to provide you with enough information from instructors. We talk about veterans, people who have the experience, who've done it before, and they're willing to share their experience with you. So clicking on the learning hub there, to keep everything very short. So you can see we have some courses that you can register for. We have mechanical design, PCB design, firmware development. So this is how it works. Search for a course or just click on the course here. You can click on that, or you can just type in the course you want to study or that you're interested in. It's a bootcamp thing. So once you register if for a particular event, that's what we call it. You look for the course. Okay, mechanical design, for example. Let me type that here. Okay, so the moment you click on search, that should take you to, okay, login. Oh, it's login. So before you can access the service, you have to log in. So the platform is trying to the learning hub is trying to retrieve data from your account there. So you have to give it the permission. This is part of the security measure that we put in place to ensure unauthorized access to your account is prevented. So once you log in like that and everything is verified, you can start searching for courses or anything you're interested in. So say mechanical design. When you click mechanical design, it automatically bring out list of courses under mechanical. You can see there. You can see that there. So if you want location specific, so since you let's say you're in Ibogun, for example, you can put Ibogun there and it will apply the filter. Anything outside of Ibogun won't appear here. Okay, you can see that. You can see that. So what we have, you just left the two events close by. So you want to make sure you search for a course that is close by to avoid um issues with moving from where you are to the place of the event. So like I said, it's a bootcamp kind of thing. You come with necessary tools or systems or anything you need to learn. You come with it. You present the your ID to show that you've registered. So right there, this is a course on mechanical design. You can read through the course contents, whatever you meant to learn. Once you're done with that, you can take the pre-assessments. It's right there. So once you've taken the exam, you can once you're done with the exam, you can check here. Oh, okay. Once you've taken the exam, you can just check your assessments. If you've taken, I think okay, I've done one here. So you can just check there. You can see the events that you're attending, and this is the only event that I'm attending here. You can see how many people register for the events, several things like that. So this is just a short video to show you how to navigate through the sites and how to register for a course of interest. You can see it right there. You can go back to your dashboard, access events close by. So if you have any question, you can always reach out to me on WhatsApp or on my mail. You can message me. You can reach me on via mail. On Okay, you can just send me a mail at boyejofemi2014 at gmail.com, and I will be glad I'll be ready to respond to your request. You can see your instructor here. That's your instructor. Everything you need, it's right there. So before I cut it off, what else do we have here? Okay. You can also join the channel for the course that you registered for. That's right here. Where is it? So there's a place where you can join the channel. I think this is not, it's not enabled there. Once you register, we have courses that allows you to join a channel where you talk to your instructor and you guys can engage online. So that will be all for now. Thank you very much. Love you guys.